I know a friend who's super neat. He barks and wags, his tail's so sweet. It's a dog, woof woof, let's give a cheer. Man's best friend, always near. Animals, animals all around. Some in the sky, some on the ground. Big and small, they're so much fun.
When you check out this YouTube channel, I Can Rock Your World, you'll notice that it has a lot of subscribers, about 10.1 million subscribers with just 8 videos. This is amazing. Over 16 years, they've accumulated 1.3 billion views in 16 years and 5 trillion views in 17 years. As you can see, this channel, I Can Rock Your World, is performing incredibly well. This is incredible. If you're wondering whether this channel is monetized, let's check it out. To verify monetization, you can go to a site like YitLarge. Simply enter their video link to see if it's monetized. For example, when we checked, it showed that the channel is indeed monetized, with original advertising active and no restrictions. Now, let's check another channel, Lechaya Noi Rhymes and Baby Songs. This channel has about 6.27 million subscribers and 173 videos. For instance, they have 211,000 views in just one day and 52,000 views in 2 days. This channel is really doing well. To verify monetization, we can use the same method as before. And indeed, the channel is monetized with original ads active and no restrictions. If you're interested in creating something similar, the first step is to create a script for the song. It should be educational and something children can easily resonate with, like animals, alphabets, numbers, or fruits. Now I asked ChatGPT to generate a list of 10 animals that kids love, and it suggested dogs, cats, rabbits, horses, lions, elephants, giraffes, monkeys, pandas, and kangaroos. Next, I asked ChatGPT to turn this list into a music format that's friendly, fun, and interesting for kids. It generated some amazing verses and choruses. I also asked it to generate prompts to help visualize the song, which I used to create images for the music. Also, I said, give me a name for this music. The name Animal Friends Adventure was also suggested by ChatGPT based on these prompts. These prompts helped describe the actions of each animal, which I used while converting still images to animated ones. This made the image generation process smoother. Next, I said, based on the above prompts, describe the actions of each animals. I hope this is clear enough. Now, to commence, all you have to do is to copy the song's lyrics and paste in any doc software like Microsoft Word and remove the words we don't need from the song lyrics. Something like verse 1, chorus, verse 2, bridge, and outro. Once you have the lyrics, head on to suno.com and click on Create to start the conversion process by converting it into music or instrumentals. You have 50 credits to use for your new account on the free version and 2,500 credits for the pro version, $10 per month, or 10,000 credit for the $30 per month, with 10 credits removed from every song generated. Now, before you paste your lyrics, make sure you toggle the custom mode to be able to paste all the song lyrics at once up to 3,000 words. Without the custom mode, you can only paste 200 words. If that is clear, now let's paste our song lyrics here. You can either choose instrumental or have someone sing the lyrics. The choice is all yours. I do not want it to be instrumental, so I chose melodic, beat, pop, and bass. And then give it a title. Remember the title that ChatGPT generated for us, Animal Friends Adventure. Then I will just hit the create button and wait for the magic to happen. Now let's play what Suno created for us and choose the best one for kids' song video.
I know a friend who's super neat. He barks and wags, his tail's so sweet. It's a dog, woof woof, let's give a cheer. Man's best friend, always near. Animals, animals all around. Some in the sky, some.
I know a friend who's super neat. He barks and wags his tail so sweet.
And if you don't like any of these songs, you can simply regenerate the song until you get the one you enjoy, or extend the song length by clicking the Extend button under the song you want to extend and click Extend. Once that's done, and you find the one you love among the songs, go ahead and hit the Download button where you have the option of downloading either as audio or video. For me, I prefer the audio version so that I can easily import it to CapCut and then edit whatever I want to edit. Now we move on to the next step. After generating the song, the next step is to create images to go along with it. For this, I used Leonardo.ai and Bing Image Creator or Video Express AI. I input the prompts generated by ChatGPT to these tools, adding details like Pixar 3D animation, hyper-realistic, 4K Ultra HD, pixel style, Cinema 4D, Disney style, and 16:9 aspect ratio to get the desired images. Once you have the images, you can animate them. I used a tool called PikaArt to animate the images, but you can also use other tools like Lumalab's AI or Genmo, Immersity AI. For each image, I uploaded it to PikaArt, added the description of the animal's actions as generated by ChatGPT, and animated the image. After that, you can download the animated video. To remove any watermarks from the animated video, you can use additional tools 123 apps and upload the video you downloaded. Put your mouse where the watermark is and highlight, then click Apply. When you are done, click on Save and then Export. After that, click on Save. Finally, import all your downloaded files to CapCut, including the animated song from Suno, animated images from PikaArt, and then combine all these on CapCut. To add adjustment to all the elements, just drag Custom Adjustment on all the images and then adjust the brightness or contrast.
I know a friend who's super neat. He barks and wags his tail. Friend who's super neat. He barks and wags his tail so sweet. It's a dog, woof woof, let's give a cheer. Man's best friend, always near. Animals, animals, animals all around. Some in the sky, some on the ground. Big and small, they're so much fun. They're so much fun.
And that is it on how to create an animated music video for kids using AI tools. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for my upcoming videos.